This is our home emergency light kit. We keep it in a central location in our garage, making sure that in the event of a power outage, it is safe and easy to get to. Power outages can be stressful. Being prepared takes some of the stress away. Some of the things we keep in mind with all of our home kits is child safety. We have young children, and we wanted to make sure that this kit was kid-friendly. Everyone's home kit should be individual to their family needs. For us, we have alternative power sources in the event of a long-term power outage, so our kit was built for outages 24 hours or less. I believe in prepping on a budget. Try and use what you already have at home, but be careful, going cheap isn't always the best. I use plastic toolboxes for most of my at-home kits. They're durable, easy to store, and easy to grab in the event of an emergency. Some of the items you might want to include are push lights. They're great for placing in all kinds of areas. Multiple flashlights. I say multiple because inevitably the kids are going to get a hold of a couple of light sources and they aren't going to be found again until the power comes back on. Have lots of extra batteries in your kit for all the different light sources you have. My favorite is a headlamp. The hands-free ability makes tasks way easier when the lights are out. Portable chargers are a must-have in today's day and age. Just about everything we use requires a charge. They're invaluable. We do have candles in our kit, but typically stay away from them due to being a fire hazard. But this is an emergency kit and we want backups to our backups. When it's time to put your kit back in storage, make sure that you replace anything that's been used and charge any power banks to top them off for storage. Batteries will store for a few years, but your portable power bank should be connected to a charger every 3 to 4 months. If you are using candles, use a non-warped cookie sheet in a low traffic area. These tiny lanterns are great for putting in the kids' room as nightlights. This specific brand lasts all night. A couple years ago, I stumbled on these USB lights. They're not terribly bright, but they do light up the darkness. And the great part about them is that they plug directly into a portable power bank. Bottom line, there are endless affordable, safe light sources available out there. So get the ones that's best for you and your family. Remember to go through your kits every 3 to 4 months. Your home emergency kits can give you some peace of mind that you're prepared for an unexpected emergency. Make sure they're easily accessible, and most importantly, make sure that they are clearly labeled. Happy prepping.